In today's video, we're going to be looking at beautiful and natural hair braid hairstyles. You know, these hairstyles are actually made by creative hands, and the hairstyles you're gonna be seeing is goddess braids, cornrow braided hairstyles, protective hairstyles, even the butterfly locks. You're gonna see it in, among this compilation we have here. You're gonna be seeing tribal Fulani goddess braid hairstyles, and there's beautiful hairstyles there that is called cute braided hairstyle. You're gonna see today the bead hairstyles that comes with bead like this one. You're gonna see a lot of it in this clip, and box braid hairstyles. So you're gonna see varieties of hairstyles that fits your outing, if I must tell you. So if this is your first time seeing this channel, if this is your first time on this channel, I will advise you click the like button and also subscribe to this channel, even the bell icon. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you don't miss out on my next videos. I upload videos every day. I make sure I bring to you the latest braid hairstyles that you would love to put on and look gorgeous and look exceptional. You know what I mean? So hairstyles that you're gonna be seeing here, that you're seeing here right now, are hairstyles that when you have them on, you're gonna be unique. That's the truth. You're going to look like eye-catching. You understand what I'm saying? So watch till the end of the video, because there are a lot of hairstyles, inspirational hairstyles, that's gonna make you look good. You understand what I'm saying? So just go through the video, watch till the end of the video, and make sure you like this video if you like content like this. Make sure you also subscribe to the channel, and also click the bell icon so you don't miss out on my next video. So right now I'm going to leave you guys to watch the video and keep it rolling. Stay safe and stay blessed.
genre.